In front of me is CAT S42, and let me show you how to activate the camera timer in this device. So if you'd like to apply some photo delay, just open your camera app, then tap on settings icon and click on settings. Then pick self timer right here and choose 2, 5 or 10 seconds delay. Just mark the one that you would like to apply, and as you can see from now on, the picture will be grabbed after this delay. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done, and if you would like to turn it off, click on more icon, select self timer and tap on off. Now you can grab photos immediately after you click. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.